So what you want to pay attention to is basically your graph setup when you're fishing over deep water like this. Obviously, it's not what we're used to doing. A lot of times we're in 15, 20, 30 feet when we're going after walleyes. But as you can see, we're actually out here in about 155 feet of water. So very, very deep water. Most of the fish that we're seeing on the graph are near the bottom. You're going to want to jig maybe 15, 20 feet up off the bottom, and they'll come up and get it. So you'll actually see that I have the bottom here zoomed in, actually 5 times, so I can easily see my jig that far down. I'm also see the fish and how they're reacting to the bait. But the important thing that you're going to want to make sure you have, be able to see the entire water column. There's a lot of these fish, you got to remember, they're following schools of Cisco out here on Green Lake, and so they might come in at 60, 70, 80 feet down, and you're obviously not going to see that on the zoomed in side. So make sure you're able to see the entire water column as well, because these open water suspended fish, you can absolutely reel your lure up to them. So if you're marking some at 70 feet, quick rip that lure up there and jig and see if you can get those fish to commit.